Hello YouTube, welcome back to Show You How, and guys, today I'll be showing you the Patrick Star voice tutorial. In order to do this tutorial, the first thing you need to do is you need to make like a little sigh. And guys, you can do this if you're a girl too, it does not matter. Girls can also do this. Your voice does not have to be like super deep, but you just have to get to a certain tone. But what you need to do is just sigh like, but add a little bass to it. Like go to the back of bring that to the back of your throat, and you want to add as much bass as you can to your voice when you're sighing. So, do that about 5 times. So, and once you do that, the next thing you want to do is close your mouth, and then you want to just like sighing, but you have your mouth closed instead. Bring all of that sighing to the back of your throat while your mouth is closed, so this will sound like and it does not have to sound exactly like mine, but it has to sound similar in order to get the voice down. So just say and guys, your tongue is going to be flat down. It's not going to be up on the top of the roof of your mouth. It's going to be flat down. Do it about 5 times. And once you do that, the third step is really the final step, what you can do in order to make the actual Patrick Star voice, because I do not want to make this tutorial long for you guys. I want to make this short and easy for you guys. You just have to keep practicing consistently if you want to get the Patrick Star voice down. So once you think of something, as like I said, what Patrick would say, SpongeBob, what are you doing, SpongeBob? You just say something like, what do you say with the SpongeBob? Just make sure your tongue is flat down on the bottom surface of your mouth. So, hey SpongeBob, or something like that. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I also have a Mickey Mouse voice tutorial. If you go right here, you'll see a little eye that says how to talk like Mickey Mouse. You can go ahead and click on that right now if you haven't seen it before. And I will also have more tutorials coming soon of how to make other cartoon voices. So we'll be back to show you how.